Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. This week I am inspired by the carnival that goes on around this time. It is not happened yet because I wanted the video to come out before carnival or at least during carnival. If you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. So Carnival is coming up very soon and I want to do a makeup look that can go with that. So I don't have any specific theme in mind, but I do have colors and a look in mind, and that is what I'm gonna go for, because you don't always have to be a character, or you can actually make this into a character if that's what you want, but I'm just making it as is. I'm going to be using one eyeshadow palette, and to start off I want to be using big fluffy brush like this one, and I want to be using the makeup eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution, the Constellation one, and I want to go ahead in with Venus, which is this one right here. And for this, first I want to go ahead and put it in my crease and towards the outer corner, and then after I want to go in with my finger on the lid, but I want to make sure I don't get too close to the inner corner because I'll put another color there. And I'm not too picky about the outer corner because again I will put another color there, but I kind of want this fanned here first and then here, and then I also want to use, I think, this flat brush and put that same pink color on the inner corner of my eye about halfway or so, leaving the outer corner. Then I want to go in with the next color, which is the same eyeshadow palette, and I want to go in with Retrograde, which is this one right here. And I will be using a firm round brush to apply this to the outer corner of my eye plus the lower lash line where I didn't put makeup yet. Then I want to take my Essence Eye Blender brush that looks like this, and I want to blend this dark color out. So the next color I will be putting on from the same makeup palette is the Fractal, which is this one right here. And for this I will just be using my finger and dabbing that to the inner corner of my eye. And then I want to put on some eyeliner, and I'm using the Dipliner Ink from H&M that looks like this. And I will just wing it out, and I want a dramatic wing just because it is a carnival look. Now it's time to put on some mascara, and I'm gonna curl my lashes first. And then I will be using my Maybelline, the Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I will be applying this to my upper and lower lashes. And then I will take a eyeliner pencil that looks like this one. This one has no name, so I'm just gonna show you. And I want to put that on my upper waterline, but not on my lower. And then I will take Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in 1722 Turquoise, and that looks like this. And I will put that on my lower waterline, and I might drag it out just a little bit in the outer corner. And now comes the more fun part where we will be jewel this. I have jewels that I have from a store called Glitter, which is a store in Scandinavia. And I'm just going to be using turquoise blue that is like up in this one right here, turquoise, to match the eyeliner. And I will be placing this right here and then fanning out. And the reason you want to make sure that you get it on the fold or above the fold of your eye and not in the fold, because if you're blinking it might easily go off. And I'm just going to be using a eyelash glue to put them on. That actually took some time. If you're wondering the lipstick that matches, it's the Kiko Milano Glossy Dream 214, and it looks like this. And the last thing I will be putting on is some setting spray, and I am taking the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like this and setting my face. And here you have it, a Carnival themed inspired makeup look. I love this makeup look. It's subtle, but it's there, and it is easier to do. It just takes some time because you have to glue every single one individually, and they don't have glue on them already. If you can get your hands on something, bejewels that already have glue on them, you're gonna save yourself so much time. If not, be prepared to sit there for a while you glue them individually. And that is all I have for you today. And if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!